Okay, so detachment. How to use attachment to get someone back, to get them to chase you, to come to you. You've probably heard about attachment, and when you detach, it allows that thing to come to you or to choose you. And this is true. But if you're asking this question of how to use detachment to get someone back, well, you've already failed. Mission failed. Um, because it doesn't matter that you're using detachment. It doesn't matter. It matters only your intention. So, what is the intention behind the detachment? Are you detaching so that that person will come to you and choose you? Because if you're doing that, then the word doesn't matter anymore. It's not detachment. You're just putting on a mask of detachment, and your intention, the energy you send it out, is still that of trying to get that thing or that person. So the detachment is just the mask. It's just the mask that you're putting on, and uh, yeah, there's no way around that. There's no way to navigate that. It really should be, you know, I don't know if you guys can hear this kid screaming. Yeah, we got kids here outside, but still, the message is uh, detached because it makes you feel better. It makes you feel good to release and to know that the energy is neither created or destroyed, so it's already there. It's still there within you. That energy which was projecting that person into your reality is still around, is still available to you, and you haven't lost it. It's only whenever you put that energy on someone else and that person has to be this for me, and that's it, and there's no other opportunity. So the best way to detach really is to know that you're okay either way. Know that you have the ability to summon someone else into your life if that person goes away and they don't want to talk to you anymore, be with you more anymore, anything like that. Um, so yeah, that's basically what it means to detach. Like if you're still trying to detach to get someone back to you, it's already failed. Don't do that because it's not going to work. It's not going to work, and you're just going to end up disappointed. And then you're going to say, well, detachment doesn't work. So what else is there? But really, just detach for yourself and realize that you are the projector, you are the creator. And when you operate from that mentality, then you allow for what is right for you to come in. And just go with the flow. If people want to leave, they're going to leave. If they want to stay, then they're going to stay. Just kind of go with the flow with it, of whatever is happening, and just let it happen. Yeah, so that's all I got for this message.